Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir once again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss what all objective questions had appeared in the past university paper with their solution from April 2019 to April 2025 under the subject Innovative Financial Services. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM 6 students. So let us see what all objective questions were asked in the past papers and what are their correct answers. So we'll start one by one. First, in April 2025, the first set of question was match the column. So here are the question and below are the answers which you all can go through it. Okay, next set of question were true or false. These are the first set of true or false from the paper. These are the next set of true or false. Okay, next is April 2024 question paper. Under that, the first set of objectives were MCQs. These are the first set of MCQs. These are the next set of MCQs. And these are the remaining set of MCQs. Along with MCQ, the next set of questions were true or false. These are the first set of true or false. These are the next set of true or false. Next, April 2023. First set of questions were MCQs. Okay, these are the next set of MCQs. These are the next set of MCQs. Along with MCQ, the next set of questions were true or false. These are the next set of true or false. Okay, next is November 2019. First set of questions was MCQs. These are the next set of true of MCQs. These are the next set of MCQs. Okay, after MCQs, the next question was true or false. These are the next set of true or false. Next is April 2019. The first set of questions was true or false. These are the remaining true or false. And along with true or false, the last question which was there was match the columns. These are the question and these are the answers to those questions. Okay. Chalo, I hope everyone have noted it down. So these are all the past question papers along with the answers for the objectives. Chalo, with that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.